Good evening, everybody. This is James Romelli from Alpha Shark Trading, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about trading using the Ichimoku Cloud and proper time frames for signal and for confirmation. So there's two different types of charts we're going to look at when we're trading any kind of product on the Ichimoku Cloud. And we're going to focus today on Forex. This week, we're going to be talking about trading currencies using the cloud in our weekly video series. So we're going to talk about Forex today. And what I have here is a chart of the Euro USD on the 4-hour bar. Now, the first thing that people always ask me when I talk about the Ichimoku Cloud is, what time frame should I be using? And I always say it depends on the product. So we're going to be talking about Forex. Forex is a product that trades a little bit slower than a lot of the equities that you tend to look at. It trades a lot slower than a lot of the futures that we look at. So it needs something that has a little bit longer of a time frame to use with the cloud to try and catch the intermittent trends. We don't want to use a 5-minute bar. It's too fast. The 4-hour bar gives us the perfect amount of signals. It's not too fast, not too slow. But the concept that I want to talk about here with you guys is confirmation. So once I have my signal bar figured out, in this case, it's going to be the Euro currencies on the 4-hour bar, I then need to figure out what my confirmation levels are. And for Forex, what we like to use are the daily bar, excuse me, and the weekly bar. So here on the daily, we can see that we're above the cloud right now, technically by a couple of pips. So the short signals that we're seeing on the 4-hour bar are technically not confirmed on the daily. Then for an even wider level of confirmation, we can go to the weekly, and we're below the cloud on the weekly. So those signals to get short on the 4-hour bar are confirmed on the weekly, not on the daily. The strongest signals are going to be ones that are confirmed on both confirmation time frames. The kind of medium strength signals or intermediate strength signals are going to be the ones that are confirmed on one but not the other. So right now we kind of have an intermediate strength short signal in the Euro on the 4-hour bar, and it's actually started to play itself out. And the ones that are the weakest setups that I can still take, but I have to take with the understanding that they're going to be the weaker, least confirmed setups, are setups that have confirmation on neither of the confirmation time frames. So as you can see, as we broke the cloud to the downside here in the Euro USD at around 8 o'clock in the morning yesterday, there was no confirmation on the daily, but there was on the weekly. So this kind of would have been an intermediate or weaker confirmation setup. Not the top tier, but as you can see, still working out very well here as the Euro continues to sell off. So keep an eye out for the rest of the week. We're going to have more videos on currency trading, particularly trading currencies with the cloud. So if that's something that interests you, please stick with us this week and pay attention to the video series that we have coming out. We're going to be full of tips and tricks like this about using the cloud for trading currencies. All right, guys? So everyone have a fantastic evening, and as always, happy trading.